LEA Vision Assessment. Learn how to use the LEA Vision chart to test a student's vision. On screen is the LEA symbols chart featuring outline drawings of a circle, square, house, and apple.
Hi, I'm Amanda English from Michigan Department of Education Low Incidence Outreach. I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare to use the LEA symbols for testing visual acuity. This is the LEA symbol puzzle for teaching the LEA symbols used with the near and distance visual acuity tests. It was created by Dr. LEA Vision. There are 4 symbols utilized for this test, which include the circle, square, house, and apple. Have the child name the symbols to start. Any name is okay, as long as they continue to use the same name consistently. For example, the child may call the house an arrow, the circle a ball, or the apple a heart. Each of these is acceptable. If they cannot communicate the names of the symbols, then they might match the symbols. This may take time to teach prior to assessing the child's vision. You will want to model for the child's caretaker how to practice this skill. Begin by using the puzzle pieces to practice matching the symbols. Place one puzzle piece in the center of the puzzle board and have the child place the piece in the matching symbol on the board, as I've done here with the circle. Continue with each piece, removing the previous piece and having the child place the piece in the corresponding space. Here I've placed the square in the center and then the square in the appropriate place on the board. Once the child can do this with the pieces oriented the same direction as the board space, you can turn a puzzle piece so it's askew from the board space and have the child orient the piece and place it in the corresponding board space. I've placed the house so it's turned in the center of the puzzle, and hopefully the child will be able to orient the piece correctly on the board. Once the child can do this with each of the pieces, they are likely ready to match the puzzle pieces to cards. First, start with the largest size card and have the child place the puzzle piece on the card. The symbols will eventually be differently sized than the puzzle pieces, so the child needs to begin recognizing that the puzzle piece still corresponds with the different size symbol on the card. Practice the skill with each piece and with varying sizes of the cards. This is a very early way to begin examining acuity using the symbols in isolation. Once a child can match puzzle pieces and cards, you may be able to work with the near or distance charts. This is the LEA Near Vision chart. The testing distance for this test is 16 inches, and there is a string attached to help you monitor the correct distance. Have the child point to the symbol that corresponds to the shape on the near chart. Start by having the child use both eyes. But, just as with most acuity tests, you will eventually cover one eye and have the child read the smallest line they can read. I often use a masking card to cover the letters so the child will focus on the first letter in the line, moving down each line as the symbol gets smaller. So the child might say house, circle, apple, square, and let's say they miss the house. Have the child move up to the line above and read across. Square, house, apple, circle, and house. If they read each of these correctly, then move down to the next line. If they are unable to read this line, move back up to the line they could read, and this will be their threshold. In this case, it is the 20/200 line, or 4-point M print. Thank you for joining me. MDE-LIO is dedicated to helping you meet the needs of students in Michigan. If you have questions or need assistance, please contact us. You can find resources on the website at mdelio.org. You can request assistance using our outreach form and send it to us at outreach@mdelio.org. Or contact us directly. You can reach Roxanne Belfour at belfour@michigan.gov or reach our education consultants directly. I'm Amanda English, and you can reach me at englisha1 at michigan.gov, Beth Brabs at brabsb@michigan.gov, Johanna Brutvan at brutvanj at michigan.gov, Pat Love at lovep@michigan.gov, and Amy Shepard, our parent liaison, at shepherd.a4@michigan.gov.
Learn more at mdelio.org. Find more videos, get resources, and learn how MDE LIO can support you.